Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Tex IT again. Knowing OS shortcuts is a way to make you produce at faster paces and work with speed. You might be an old Mac OS user or a new Mac OS user. You may have bought a new MacBook Air or anything. You are using a Mac device that runs the Mac OS on it, and you need to get access to shortcuts because you have to produce at faster paces and work with speed. This is the right video for you. So in this video we have a task list which include managing windows in your Mac environment, making standalone windows, switching between the standalone windows, creating multiple desktops, switching among multiple desktops, and to view your installed applications. Now wait, all these things we are going to do them with just the trackpad. That's what makes it a shortcut, and that's one marvelous thing about Mac OS. Congratulations if you got your new Mac OS device. Okay, so managing windows, I have set some windows, I've opened some windows down that we'll be using for testing purposes. Let me quickly keep them active so we can use them. So you use three fingers to swipe up or to swipe down in order to manage your windows within your desktop. So when you swipe up, it gives you access to select from all windows. All windows that are within your desktop will be displayed here, so you can select from them. And when you swipe downwards, it gives you access to windows that you are currently active in. So if I'm active in this one, I swipe downwards, it's going to show me this window with the other windows on the other side. Now use three fingers to swipe sideways to switch between that window and other windows. So the next task list, making standalone windows. This is a very easy task. You just have to come here and click on this button to make your standalone window. You can also make your standalone window fit halfway in your screen whilst you have other windows there by hovering down this button. When you hover down the button, it's going to pop up some options and you're going to select one of which you want to work with. So here we are not looking for that feature, so we make them standalone for our learning purposes. Okay, so our next task, switching between standalone windows. You just need 3 fingers or 4 fingers to be swiping left or right in the direction of the window which you want to switch to. Okay, so our next task list is creating multiple desktops. So when creating multiple desktops, you swipe up with 3 fingers, hit the plus button at the top right here, and make a new desktop. Now let's make new windows within this desktop so we can appreciate what we learned here. Let me add calculator to this. Yeah, so we can switch by swiping with 3 fingers. Our new task list is switching among multiple desktops. So if you want to switch to a different desktop quickly because maybe you might have some standalone windows between them, you can just move here and then click on this desktop. That's by swiping up with 3 fingers. Now you can readjust the desktop to the position that you want it to be. That one is up to you by clicking and dragging it. So in this desktop, when you swipe down, we see the major window, the active window. You use 3 fingers to swipe within it. You'll be seeing all windows from other desktops and this desktop except for standalone windows. So you see my standalone window, which was the VS Code, has never shown in that display. Okay, now the last task is view your installed applications. To view your installed applications, you need 4 fingers. You pinch them in to view your applications, then pinch them out to unview them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this video. Put down in the comments anything you feel could be improved or should have been added to this video, and also turn on the notifications buttons to view our next video. Thanks for watching.